hindsight, do you think there was parts of you could see clearly? Didn't know that. Or was it too vague to even pinpoint?
Oh, whoa. I am in the middle of reading, like almost the exact middle of reading How to Live a Forest by Ethan Tapper. This is it. Okie dokie. I can't expect nature to meet me where I am. I have to meet nature where it is. And where nature is right now is still snowy, but still beautiful. Look at that. This hike is like very quickly turning into type 2 fun. I am post-holing like every couple feet. All right. I'm over it. There's a smile on my face, but like I'm over it. My feet are soaked through. My boots are absolutely soaked through.